Today we will learn divisibility rules for 6. Let's read the rule first. If a number is divisible by 2 and 3 both, the number is divisible by 6. So for example, 144. So according to the rules, the number should be divisible by 2 and 3 both. So 144 should be divisible by 2 and 3 both. Then that number is divisible by 6. So we see the unit place is 4. If the unit place ends in 24680, then the number is divisible by 2. So here we see the number ends in 4. So that means the number is divisible by 2. Now let's check whether this number is divisible by 3 or not. Let's recall the rule. If the sum of the digit of a number is divisible by 3, the number is divisible by 3. So let's find the sum of the digits. 1 plus 4 plus 4. 1 plus 4 is 5, 5 plus 4, 9. So we know 9 is divisible by 3 because 3 times 3 is 9. So it's divisible by 3. So 144 is divisible by 2 and 3. Therefore, 144 is divisible by 6. So let's move to the next example. 7403, number 2. 7403, 7403. The unit place is 3. So from here we can understand the number is not divisible by 2. Not divisible by 2. Therefore, 7403 is not divisible by 6. Since 7403 is not divisible by 2, so we don't need to check whether 7403 is divisible by 3 or not. Therefore, 7403 is not divisible by 6. Let's move to the next example. Example number 3. 8352. In 8352, the last digit is 2. Which is divisible by 2. The number 8352 is divisible by 2. So now let's check whether the number is divisible by 3 or not. Now to check whether the number is divisible by 3, we need to find the sum of the digits. So let's find the sum of the digits. 8 plus 3 plus 5 plus 2. 8 plus 3 is 11, 11 plus 5 is 16, 16 plus 2 is 18. We know 18 is divisible by 3. 6 times 3 is 18. So 18 is divisible by 3. So 8352 is divisible by 2 and 3 both. Therefore, 8352 is divisible by 6. Let's move to the next example. 6404. Now let's check whether this number is divisible by 2 or not. Last digit is 4, so the number is divisible by 2. And now let's check whether this number is divisible by 3 or not. So let's find the sum of the digits. 6404. So the sum of the digits 6 plus 4 plus 0 plus 4. 6 plus 4 is 10. 10 plus 0 is 10 plus 4 is 14. Which is not divisible by 3. We can't divide 14 by 3. So 14 is not divisible by 3. Therefore, 6404 is not divisible by 6. This is how we need to check whether the number is divisible by 6 or not. I hope the video is helpful to you. Please like, share and subscribe Math Only Math for more videos. Thank you.